Hey guys, we're in Churchville, New York, checking out this giant ship in front of someone's house. It is unbelievable, very, very cool. Let's see what they got. This is pretty amazing, guys. So let's check it out. By the way, they do donations here. You can bring something so they can donate it. And looks like they got Jack up there. Jack Sparrow.
Oh, bloody moron. You don't need
Jack Sparrow!
Hey, you bloody moron.
I feel nothing.
There's things that
Not
you
the
do.
wind or the sea.
You're dead and you knew it.
They brought me back, they did.
Aye. Aren't you lucky I brought you here to this ship? My ship? I just let you...
You sunk mine.
That's right, because you're a naughty pirate.
This is so cool.
I am a pirate. As for you, well...
I'm a free spirit. It's a big difference.
Yes.
Hello, ladies.
Free spirit. Oh,
How
how are we doing?
I can't tell if you're smiling or not. You're all masked it up.
Oh,
there's
smile. There we are.
go.
Teeth and everything.
Boy. Now I just want to figure out how we're going to clip this bad boy on me.
Just put it on the deck.
Well, you do it for me because I can't see it. What this 8-pound frigging crown on.
Ask Hector.
As long as it doesn't move in again.
This is neat.
That's alcohol abuse.
Huh?
Alcohol
I'm going to
abuse.
put this down.
Put
I'm
it in.
sorry.
What? Would you like an apple? No, you can't. You
Whole
wouldn't.
bushel of
Hey,
apples.
sweetie, hey. There we go.
It's a little tight.
Yo, I know
This
it
is
is.
more like a corset.
Well, it is a corset.
Here we
I'm
are.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Oh, yeah.
I have to look slim and trim for all the ladies. Unlike
You
you.
might smell a little bit like rum.
That's okay. I'm used to that too.
Aye,
Oi. I think I'm going to be just fine without a jacket. Or sword. And everything else.
This is so cool.
aye. I have to have the jacket. I'm the captain.
Well, no, I am the captain.
It's
Me too.
Hey.
The black. Oh, you got. Oh, dude, you got all over Mom.
I'm sorry, Mom. That's why I said you're gonna smell a bit like rum.
I won't like that.
I'm sorry, Bella.
Put the baby down. Okay, how you finish this now?
We're finishing up at the ship. It was pretty amazing, guys, and I hope you guys liked the video. Hit that thumbs button. Have a good night.